Hi, my name is Mike Pehl. After being in the crash investigation field for over 25 years and literally teaching over 20,000 kids driver's ed, I came up with a program to help parents. One of the number one things when it comes to driving is teenagers crash cars. And the reason for that I found out is because the parents aren't getting involved as much as they should. So I developed a program which gets a parent involved step by step throughout the whole duration of their driving, and it does save lives. Let me give you a few more details what's in this course. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions from the day they start to drive until the day you let them drive away by themselves. My methods reduce the stress for you, the parents, and for sure, the teenager. Throughout this course, I'm going to teach you defensive driving methods that most people have never been taught. This is life-saving instruction. It is not complicated. You and your teen will understand it completely. My goal over the last 25 years was to keep people alive in cars, not only our students, but also the parents. When parents are involved, the crash rate of kids goes way down, far outweighs anything that driver's ed does do. So check it out. It's a great program.